The UP government has notified the formation of a UP state capital region similar to that of Delhi NCR. 6 districts will be included in the state capital region, which is Lucknow, Hardoi, Barabanki, Sitapur, Unnao and Raebareli. The headquarters of this will be in Lucknow. My colleague Tanish still with us. Tanish, what is the government's plan to set up the Delhi NCR-like state capital region in Uttar Pradesh?
Well, of course, Aarti, the cabinet nod for this was given earlier, and now finally the UP government has notified the formation of UP state capital region, along the lines of Delhi and NCR, where around 27,000 square kilometers of area will be included in this region, covering 6 districts: Hardoi, Sitapur, Lucknow, Raebareli. All these around 6 districts will be covered in this. Talking about how the notification has also is to form an authority that will, an umbrella body sort of, that will oversee all the projects related to the UP state capital region. The chairman of the authority will be the chief minister himself, and the vice chairman of the authority will be, the vice chairman of the authority will be the chief secretary to the state. Now, as I said, this had been proposed earlier as well, but it has been notified now. It has been given a nod, and the main purpose of this is to reduce the disparity of the development in the neighboring districts of the state capital, that is Lucknow. The main purpose of this is to reduce the disparity of development and bring more development in the nearby districts of the capital of the state. Yes.